In problem 3b part 2, we've been asked to calculate the theoretical ex-rights share price for a rights offer where the company has made a 3 for 10 pro rata rights issue. So that is a 3 for 10 pro rata rights issue. And what that means is for every 10 shares that you own, you can buy 3 new shares for $2.60. So what that means is you need to have a bundle of 10 shares. So a bundle of 10 shares which have a market value of $2.82. So if you have your 10 shares that are worth $2.82, which is $28.20, then you can buy another 3 shares at $2.60. So that is $7.80. So those shares that you're buying, those 3 new shares, are sold to you at a discount. Now that gives me a total market value of the 13 shares. So 10 existing shares plus the 3 new shares. If I add those two up together, I get $36. So I have 13 shares with a total value of $36. So the theoretical ex-rights share price will be $36 divided by the 13 shares, which is $2.77. Now, I could have used the formula to calculate this. So this is the formula that's given to you on the formula sheet. So N times cum rights market price plus the subscription price all over N plus 1. So N is the number of shares that you need to own to have the right to buy 1 share. So that will be 10 over 3 times the cum rights market price of $2.82 plus the subscription price of $2.60 divided by N, 10 over 3 plus 1, and I get the same answer. Now I prefer the above method, this method here, because it relies on a process, not a formula, so it has a more intuitive understanding. Now in part 3, I'm asked what the value of the right is. Now the easiest way to do that is just to think through what we're being offered. So I'm being offered to buy a share for $2.60 that's worth $2.77. So that is worth 17 cents to me. So if I'm offered to buy a share worth $2.77 and I only have to pay $2.60 for it, then the value of that right to me is 17 cents. Equally, I could have used the formula that's provided on the formula sheet. So N times open bracket cum rights price minus the subscription price all over N plus 1. So 10 over 3 times 282 minus 260 over 10 over 3 plus 1, and that gives me 17 cents. As I said before though, I prefer to think about the process and the calculation intuitively, so that is the way that I would do it. So the value of the right in this case is 17 cents.